Good morning, Forcers. I am Luke Bender.
And I'm Maddie Baylor.
Today is Wednesday, April 17th. It is day 2. Please stand for Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
This day in history, in 1970, Apollo 13 astronauts splashed down safely in the Pacific, 4 days after a ruptured oxygen tank crippled their spacecraft while en route to the moon.
Don't forget to buy a raffle ticket to win an autographed Saquon Barkley football.
If you have not received a dinner invitation, please see Mr. Lishok today. Invites are due back this Thursday, April 18th.
The junior high baseball and softball teams will be excused today at 2:30 for the games against Elk Lake.
And the varsity baseball and softball teams will be excused today at 3:10 for the games against Mountain View. Good luck, Foresters and Lady Foresters.
Attention senior class, senior t-shirts are $23. Please give the money to either Katie Nguyen or Natalie Lipko by April 23rd. If you do not pay for the shirt, well then you are not getting one.
Let's check in with RJ as we look at the forecast. What does it look like out there, RJ?
It's a good hump day, everyone. Yes, I got an Infinity Gauntlets because next week, Avengers Endgame will be coming out. Taking a look at the live radar over here, we'll have early clouds to mainly dry sun-filled skies. Highs into the low to mid-60s. Tonight, there is a slight chance of a few showers, lows to near 50. And for tomorrow, expect clouds, a few scattered showers and sun peeps, highs near 60. And for Good Friday, we'll have rain, downpours, and some thunderstorms, mostly in the PM and into the night, highs in the 60s to near 70s. And for Saturday, expect lingering showers, sun peeps, with breaks too, highs near 70 or even better. So, it looks like it's going to be a rainy week, so what else is new, right? That's it for now. Back to you guys.
Thanks, RJ. There will be a new after-school club beginning next Thursday, not tomorrow. It is the Girls Basketball Club run by Miss Sino. If you are a girl in grades 7 through 8 and have not attended an after-school program this year, but would like to join this club, please see Miss Sino for a permission slip.
Now it is time for Dumb Joke Wednesday. What happened to the Easter Bunny when he misbehaved at school?
I don't know.
Well, he got expelled. I can't make it that.
Sophomores who are interested in applying for the junior leadership of the Northern Poconos program need to have their applications in to the counseling office by today. This program is open to any sophomore who does not attend CTC.
Speaking of the after-school program, there will be no after-school program tomorrow due to the early dismissal. Also, there will be no video game club today with the after-school program. The other clubs will still be going on.
The last round of graduation project presentations will take place Tuesday, April 30th. Students who are scheduled to present are listed on the scrolling announcements.
Attention seniors, the David M. Cavalieri Memorial Scholarship Committee is seeking applicants for the 2019 scholarship. Applicants need to be in good standing academically and active in 2 varsity sports. Interested candidates should speak with Mr. Nemzdowski. Application deadline is May 1st. Is there something funny?
No, I don't think there is.
Okay.
Today for lunch is stuffed shells with sauce, garlic breadstick, and garden salad with dressing, seasoned green beans, mandarin oranges, and strawberries.
Today's quote is Rock Bottom has built more heroes than privilege.
Today's song is brought to you by DJ of the Week, Miss Febo. Love Cats by The Cure.
Get the paper there.
Oh,
bucko.
Breaking news. Attention student council members who were at the meeting this morning. If you accidentally took the sign-in sheet, please return to Miss Weiss ASAP.
In addition to that, students in grades 9 through 12 will be called for a period 1.
Get it together, Luke. You got it.
We're getting there, okay? Be called from period 1 today for an assembly. That means no morning classes for me. I'm happy about that.
All right, that's all, Foresters. Make it a great day.